The Boston Tea Party, Paul Revere time, Don't Tread on Me, Concord, Lexington, Massachusetts. That's where this has happened, a Northbridge reenactment. You can pick up t-shirts, souvenirs, that will say one of these, and you can hang it up on your pole. Let me open this up, show you what it's all about. I have a t-shirt like this, and this flag is awesome. It is nice and big. I'm going to go get myself a pole. I don't have an actual pole to hang this, but I will clip it on to show you what it is. It's a nice material, weatherproof. It will hold the weather strong, dry really fast. It is a nice, big flag. When the wind kicks, the flag will fly. Northbridge reenactment, Paul Revere, Don't Tread on Me. A lot of history behind flags like so. If you're looking for one of these and want further detail about the product, check online. It is an awesome flag. It will fly in the wind. When this thing is ironed out, it will do a nice job indeed. I hope you're looking for one of these products that you'll be very happy and pleased. Check out online. Enjoy your product. Don't tread on me. Put it anywhere. Put it in the room. Put it in the office. Put it in the hallway. Anywhere you want to show. Don't tread on me.